now you need a new carpet. Or do you? We all know that feeling when you discover some damage and it fills you with dread. It's awful, but do you have to replace the whole carpet? The last thing you want is to have to hide it under a rug or be ashamed whenever you have some visitors around. Well, worry no more. You can be so proud of your carpet for many years to come with a lifetime guarantee on all repairs we undertake. Our specialist technicians are fully trained and highly experienced on a range of different repairs on all different carpet types. With a simple assessment, we can determine whether repair is possible and suitable. And within 5 minutes, we can have you booked in for an appointment within a 1 hour time slot. When on site, the technician will talk you through the process, and in just a few hours, the repair will be complete and look as close to new as possible. So well that maybe even you won't know where the damage was. The carpet is usable immediately and ready to take the busy wear and tear of any home or commercial premises for many years to come. If you have a simple cigarette burn that just ruins the appearance, we can retuft it. Maybe it's a rip, pull, or a large burn. Worry not, we can cut it out and replace it. Maybe it's a large rip, tear, iron burn, or hair straightener burn. Worry not, we can simply use a donor piece of carpet, cut out the damage, replace it with a tough and durable match, giving you a seamless repair and restoring your home or business to its former glory. Perhaps there's some pet damage around the edges. The carpet is coming loose or fraying at the threshold. We have you covered. Our technicians can repair the carpet and fix it back in place, even if an extension is needed to plug the gap. With over 10 years experience of cleaning carpets and countless hours of training, we know carpets. And we just simply wanted to support our customers that bit more. So when they started asking for repairs, we found a way to deliver. So whether it's your home, office, pub, or any other premises, why not give us a call for a free, no obligation quote for your repair today?